Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing well this Sunday night. I just wanted to present a brief presentation on my research topic, which is how well subsidized housing affects long-term homelessness. My specific research question for this project was, what effect does subsidized housing have on long-term homelessness? Governments use subsidized housing to make housing more affordable by covering a portion of housing costs for qualified individuals and families. My project, I would be interested to see what the effect of subsidized housing programs have generally been for municipalities, and maybe if there have been some unintended consequences caused by subsidized housing to communities' overall homelessness populations. Why is this topic relevant? There are several reasons why this is relevant. One thing, I believe most human beings hate to see other people suffer in any way. I believe we can agree that homelessness is a complicated issue, but we need to do what we can to reduce homelessness and the suffering it causes our fellow man. Besides that, many will argue that homelessness is bad for communities as a whole. The perceived crime and general financial and social burdens caused by homelessness on communities are also important reasons to reduce homelessness. The methods for research used in this project will be questionnaires and interviews. This topic will be more fully discussed in the following slide. Research methods we will use in our project will include questionnaires and in-person interviews. We intend to issue 50 managers that deal with subsidized housing the questionnaires. The sample will be randomly selected from a pool of participants who had previously expressed their willingness to participate in the study. The planned questionnaire samples will be taken from the Piedmont region of North Carolina. The questionnaires will consist of 12 mostly closed-in questions. We are hoping that the data collected from these questionnaires will perhaps show patterns in data within programs that have reduced homelessness and those that where homelessness has increased. Such data will either help support or prove to be contrary to initial hypotheses we have made during our research. Initially, it was the team's plan to survey a group of homeless individuals, but decided against this procedure due to homeless individuals being an underprivileged class. A second research method employed will be the in-person interview. 10 additional subsidized housing managers will be selected for a pool of willing participants, but who were not sent the questionnaires listed above. During the interview, the sample will be asked four open-ended questions concerning their experience with subsidized housing and its impact on homelessness in their communities. Data collected from these in-person interviews will require further analyses to look for themes within the participants' responses. As in the questionnaire, we anticipate the possibility for there to be common themes within programs that reduce homelessness and those that don't reduce homelessness. Importance of research. In our literature review, I read one study that had mixed results when it came to subsidized housing. Clifford and Jackson ran a study where homelessness actually increased in New England under certain circumstances. Hopefully, our study will help show some of the commonalities where subsidized housing is successful, where it is not. Results of our research will be published and aid in the development of more effective subsidized housing policies. For instance, patterns within the research data may indicate common themes that are present in successful programs versus unsuccessful programs. A municipality may adjust its existing policy or develop a new policy that incorporates themes that are common in the successful programs within the study to help improve homelessness rates. Conclusion. In conclusion, subsidized housing under certain circumstances could be a valuable tool to reduce the overall effects of homelessness within a community. This research project should be funded because the results of this study will hopefully shed some light on the circumstances that create a more successful subsidized housing program. The publication of these results would assist other municipalities when they develop and review their housing policies to make them more effective. And here's my references.